Mom, I am starving. Harry says, okay, let's go for dinner. Mom says Harry uh, goes to a famous restaurant with his mom. At the restaurant, they sit at a table and the waiter takes their order. Harry wants to have a beef steak. The waiter asks, how would you like your steak? Harry says, I'd like to have it well, please. He orders a glass of lemonade. To his mom orders chicken salad and a cup of coffee. The food is as good as homemade food. Thank you.